Hello everybody. In this video I'm going to play the upper structure 7th chords of C major 13 sharp 11 for you. So in some case I will also play the inversions if it's applicable. If not, then usually the root position should suffice. Okay, so the first one, E minor 7. Okay, beautiful. So that's a major 9, C major 9 sound. Inversions of it are also cool. And more inversions. They all give out slightly different flavors. Okay. Next, G major 7 on C. So let's play the root position first. So usually that's the one that I would go for. Okay. And depending on the situation, I might do the inversion. So that's beautiful as well. You have that clash here, and that adds that little special something to the chord. Okay, let's see if I have enough range on this tiny keyboard here. So I have a really tiny keyboard here for demonstration purposes. So don't worry, in the future I will produce a set of MP3 that contain all these sound examples, okay? The important thing here is for you to try these on your own. Okay, so I think I just ran out of range. You can technically play it here too, the next one. Okay. But again, we have this flat 5 interval, or sharp 4, so that's too close. But if you play it an octave up, that would sound okay. So I'm missing the that note there because I don't have enough range. Let's see if I go in an octave. Okay, if you play an octave up or 2 octaves up. Okay, so that's roughly what we would sound like. Okay. So next, B minor 7. So B minor 7 on C. Beautiful sound. That's a C major 13 sharp 11, no 3rd, no 5th. Probably I'm just gonna play the root position. So I encourage you to try other inversions. Okay. Next, D7 on C. So that one's fine, I think. That's another inversion. There's an inversion of D7 on my right hand. And let's try one more. So I think I like this one. So again, I think I said it earlier, I like the sound of sharp 11 on the top. That would really accentuate the Lydian sound. Sorry. There should be another inversion. Okay. So that's D7 on C. So 2 more. F sharp minor 7 flat 5. So, and then. So that's F sharp minor 7 flat 5. So again, I think I prefer this sound better. So I like the inversion. So with A on the bottom, you're talking about an F sharp minor 7 flat 5 chord here, and then C bass. So again, because of this, okay, sharp 11 on top. So overall, it's a C major 13 sharp 11. Let's try one more inversion. Okay, I still like this one better. Okay. And finally, we have A minor 7. So that's just a C major 6 chord sound. So C and okay. Let's see if we can get the next inversion. Okay. Okay. So I think I'm gonna leave it at that. Okay. So that's the upper structure 7 chords and how they sound. Okay, so I would see you in the next video. Okay.